So I'm Kevin Benson. I work for a company called Alstom. We're a multinational organisation that works across many different companies in engineering. We build trains, we also build power plants and service power plants, as I say, across the worldwide. I look after funding and competency for the UK, and that includes a caption of looking after apprenticeships, graduates and traineeships. We currently recruit apprenticeships in the UK in different specialisms that range from welding to engineering to mecha fitting to electrical and indeed project management. And what we decided to do after many years is to start looking at traineeships as a feeder into our apprenticeship programme. And we were looking to recruit those in September 2015. So we'll be looking to recruit in the region of 30 to 50 traineeships in 2015, and they'll be working in different mechanisms in respect of welding, mecha fitting, mechanical fitting, also looking at electrical, project management, and a wide range of different skills within the engineering sector that our business and certainly other businesses will require. So our traineeships will consist of a 6-month training programme which will consist of many different elements, not just engineering but also life skills, where we'll be providing students with different elements such as how to write a CV, how to manage your time, how to work with your peers and indeed your managers in the company. But that programme will then go on to a 6-month traineeship programme in our training centres. So we have different training centres across the UK, and they range from welding training facility to mecha fitting to generator and a lifting school, and our aim will be taking the traineeships across each of those schools in order to deliver the skills that are required that will help them into their apprenticeship. So one of the main objectives of the traineeship would be to provide children with an opportunity to experience different types of skills used within the engineering sector. And they might be that they like to have a little go at welding and see if that's the career that they'd like to take. But also in that traineeship, having an opportunity to experience mechanical fitting and electrical, and eventually ending up with a decision that they come out with in being able to decide that welding might be the career for them. That opportunity is quite unique, and it's giving children the opportunity to decide that career pathway after sampling all those different elements. So we genuinely believe that within the UK there is a real thirst for children to want to experience different skills within the engineering sector, and taking from that an ability to decide for themselves which career pathway they want to take. Often the problem with that is that children take on an apprenticeship in one specialist area and don't get that experience or that capability to make those decisions earlier. And there's a real thirst that we believe that exists within the UK of children being able to make those decisions. Okay, so some of the benefits that we anticipate that would come through this traineeship programme are being able to select children and students that would then go on to progress into an apprenticeship, but giving them opportunities at an earlier age. It's also taking children through a formalised education programme that's not just going to give them engineering knowledge, but will also give them life skills as well. So from a company perspective, what we would then experience is a group of children going through a traineeship that would have a wider aspect of knowledge and a wider level of experience. They would have the opportunity to work not just at college but also with our organisation. That's working with existing engineers but also working with apprentices that are currently in the apprenticeship programme. So learning from examples, learning from competence and learning from the skill set that they've been able to build at college, but also demonstrating that in our business. So that's working very closely with our engineers, and engineers of very different aspects, so those who would train them, but also those that would guide them as well and mentor them through their traineeship programme.